The next thing we're going to do is a trace. The Ready button, F5, is going to bring you into your Ready menu, and from here there's two traces. One is called Trace, the other one is called Exclude. We're going to go down to Trace first, and this trace basically is going to go in your hoop and it's going to make a square or a rectangle to cover the outermost stitches. We're going to press Set to accept it, and then down below we're going to press F1 to start it. Now once you do the trace, the laser comes on and it will make a square. Please make sure that this stays within the boundaries of the hoop. If the laser goes outside, then you can always do your exclude trace to make sure that it does fit. We're going to come back up now and we're going to do an exclude trace. The exclude trace actually goes to the furthest stitch away from the center and it will outline the stitches. We're going to press Set, and when this comes up, it basically allows you to save this one, or it allows you to just trace it using the F2 or Frame button. Again, once we press F2, the laser will come on and it will do its trace. Now, as you're looking at the screen, you'll notice that it's doing the furthest stitch away from the center. This is nice to look at, but you really do need to be watching your hoop to make sure that that light does fit. So we'll do it again and watch the laser. Once you've ensured that that design does fit inside the hoop, you can now sew your design. So we're going to get back out of this menu by hitting our Escape button. That'll bring us back to our Ready menu. We're going to escape out of that and come back to our main screen. And the only thing left to do is sew it. We're going to press our Start button, ensure the speed. At this point, we're sewing a flat design, so anywhere from 700 to 750 to 850 is fine, and it will depend on your design. If you have a design that's a little bit tighter in density, you may have to slow it down a little bit. We're going to press our Start button and it's going to begin sewing. Once your design finishes sewing, you're going to take your hoop off. On the edge of the hoop, there's a piece of metal that stands straight up. If you keep your thumb on that and then put your fingers on the metal of the hoop, you can push it up and out towards you. That'll save your arm from getting bent. So you do that on both sides, and then just pull it right out, and your design is sewn and your hoop is off.